everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam or James Hands or whatever you want to call this. I just unboxed my Aspinall of London earlier this week and I got two other things that came. These are both used and I want to give you my absolutely true reactions to these. One is from Yoogi's Closet. Here, I've never bought from them before. And one is from Fashionphile, from which I bought a lot of things before. So I'm gonna just show you what happens when you order from each or how they look and check my items out, see if I like them as much as I hope. So I'm just gonna do the only thing I did was start opening these just so I had it ready. So Fashionphile always has some really nice presentation. Lots of little confetti and my Fashionphile. That is a file. I always like their packaging. Usually have some pink in here too. This is just like my receipt and thank you. And then it's got in here, used is the new. And this was just a little thing. I actually had asked my husband for this for Christmas. I didn't get it. And I was debating about getting it or not. And then I saw it on Fashionphile, the exact color I wanted. And it even came with a box. And I thought, yep, gonna pull the trigger on it and get it for myself. So, inside we have, ta-da! It's from Hermes. Anybody guess? It's a Calvi Cardholder. I have one already, and it's in the Epsom leather, and it's just, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I can't say enough good things about it, but it's so hard. And so I wanted to try something that was softer. This, I believe, is the Mysore leather, and it's just in this yellow color, and oh, this is perfect. I wanted the yellow. They had it, it listed it as was good, very good or excellent condition. Looks like there's a little bit of a scuff there, but not bad at all. And what I like about these is you can fit so many cards in each of the sides. And then it's just got the Hermes logo right there. But yes, I really like this. I've been loving yellow. It probably looks a little darker because it's night right now, but I am very, very pleased with this. It smells good. Just want to make sure it didn't smell bad. So yeah, first item from Fashionphile. I'm very pleased. Really like everything about this. And I really like that there's a box too. So that's Fashionphile. So now we'll move on to the item I got from Yoogi's Closet. And I'm going to just open it in part because my address is on the front. Oh wow, this is nice. So and I've never had anything from Yoogi's Closet before. So here's, assuming this is my receipt. And then this is a bag I've wanted for a really long time. I just I had a couple colors in mind, and I didn't get them. I couldn't find them for the price I wanted to on Fashionphile, and didn't really want to pay the price new because I know they don't hold their value. It's a Celine Nano. I really like orange and green, and again, just haven't seen them come across Fashionphile. If they do, they're about the same price almost as you buy them new, so I guess that means they do hold their value somewhat. But I just wasn't ready to pull the trigger. And then this came up on Yoogi's Closet, and I kept thinking about it and thinking about it because it had a couple attributes that I really, really liked. And I didn't get it, and it was gone. And I felt so bad, and I'm like, I should have gotten it, I should have gotten it, I knew I should have gotten it, and I didn't. And so all of a sudden, about 2 to 3 weeks later, it showed back up on the site. And so I was all over it. But then I started thinking, okay, is it back because somebody got it and returned it and didn't like it? And something's wrong with it? Or was it just off the site and they put it back on? I don't know how Yoogi's Closet does that, but oh, wow. Inside, I got this Oh my gosh, this is so much nicer even than I thought it was gonna be. It's the Celine Nano. It's got like a green suede here and gray on the sides. And then it's got leather, what's that called? Rounded handles right here. Let's see. Then zipper. And what I really, really liked about this is the interior is leather. So it's not suede or microfiber or anything. It is leather. And it is beautiful. Just make sure it doesn't smell or anything. It doesn't. It is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I am just, holy cats. This is beautiful. Here's the strap. Let me just take a look at that. Here's the nice strap. This is a navy. I'm not sure if it's coming up that color on camera, but it's just a really nice strap. So you can hold it like this. You can't put it on the crook of your arm or anything. But do that. The hardware is still in really nice condition. Just click it on here. And do this. So wow, I am just super, super pleased with this. If anybody wants me to do a thorough review of this or that or compare it with anything, I'll let you know. I was just going to show, I'd like to show a little bit of a comparison up front. So I'm just going to grab my Cassie here again, the handbag I'm currently using. So here it is compared to the Cassie. I would say that it's not quite as long. A little, well, probably about the same height. And then size-wise, you probably could fill about the same amount of stuff, I imagine, inside. Strap drop on the Cassie is adjustable. So looks like the Celine is just one size. But it's pretty comparable because I have my Cassie on the last strap. And that's how long this is. So that is excellent. Yeah, so wow, I am very pleased. I am super happy. Like I said, I had never bought from Yoogi's Closet before, and I saw this and oh my gosh, again, this leather. It's got one slip pocket in here, and again, the zipper seems good. Let me try that again. Yeah, just nice. And apparently this is like for your sunglasses, which I thought was really cool. So wow, I am super, super pleased. So those are my two items today. Don't know that I'd use them together, but I'm just really, really pleased. So I just want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Again, I've gotten quite a few more bags now than I did have, so I can do some comparisons. If you look at my other videos, you can see some of the other bags I have, and be glad to show you anything you'd like to see or any reviews. And otherwise, just continue to do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you for watching.